Welcome back for a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a Sheabassador unboxing of the new box that we received this month, September to be exact. So yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it because I'm gonna also be trying these products for you on camera, so I don't want to make the unboxing too long. But yeah, we got the Manuka honey and yogurt glow glitter line. And the key ingredients in this collection is Manuka honey, which is supposed to help restore antioxidants, and it's a nutrient-rich hydration to skin. The yogurt extract contains lactate acid to encourage cell turnover and renewal for an enhanced glow. And then the vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant known to help boost radiance, improve texture, and invigorate skin. First product is the Manuka Honey Yogurt Glow Getter Nourishing Cleanser, and this is supposed to instantly whisk away everyday impurities and makeup without stripping your skin. It's supposed to reveal your skin is supposed to be soft basically and have a glow to it. And for skin types, it says it's for dry, normal, and mature skin. I'm kind of like combination oily around that, but yeah, so yeah. Okay, then the Manuka honey mask, which is this one, the Glow Getter honey mask. It says this rich honey-like texture clings to skin to infuse hydration with a subtle sparkle to enhance your skin's natural glow. Apply a thin layer to my skin. Okay, that's to my directions. You guys don't need to know that. And then this is the serum, so I'm gonna open it up for you guys to show you the actual casing. So when I actually try these, tiny bottle, nothing big, and of course, again, this is the Glow Manuka honey and yogurt Glow Getter Pressed Serum Moisturizer. So I use too much, and honestly, I don't really like this creamy consistency of this cleanser. I'm not understanding why it's creamy. Mostly all my cleansers are like liquidy, so, but like I said, the smell is not something that's like, it smells so good. Then again, it has yogurt in it, but I feel like because it has honey, at least you smell the taste of honey. Shower, and then I'm come back and I will tell you guys, well, show you guys me applying the mask and tell you guys about that and tell you guys about the moisturizer, smell, consistency, all that good stuff. See y'all soon. could pass for rice water because it stinks. I'm sorry, both of them. That's why you see me making face. The Glow Getter Honey Mask and the Serum Moisturizer. It smells like, I don't even know. So that's that. And then for this mask, I mean, I don't know exactly. Oh, I almost dropped it. It's pretty liquidy. I guess, you know, I would have to use it for a while to see if there's any type of benefits. I don't know if it's the vitamin C or whatever that's making it smell the way it is, or that yogurt extract. It's one of those two. I'm leaning towards that yogurt. I don't know. But yeah, as you saw, it was really like just kind of like a liquidy mask, so it didn't really harden or anything, nothing major. Like I said though, that smell. And the same thing, the moisturizer smells exactly the same. And first of all, like, so this is a serum moisturizer, so I expected that it would be liquidy in texture, because normally serum's liquidy. But I guess because it's a moisturizer, well, I can't even say that because I have moisturizers that are serum and it's liquidy. They were trying something new, but same for the serum. Like, I showed you guys how it looks. It's literally like putting like grease. It's pomade. That's what it is. So it should be called the pressed pomade moisturizer and not the serum moisturizer. And also another thing I wanted to mention, that I read when I was reading like benefits and how you should apply stuff. The cleanser, this cleanser, they said that it's supposed to lather up. I don't remember if I said this before already. Just because I didn't say it, I'm just re-saying it. They said it's supposed to lather up. If that wasn't the case, when I put it on, I just feel like I put cream on my face. So I don't know what I gotta do, add some water to it or whatever the case may be. Just to wet your face. Once you add it, it's supposed to create a lather. No, I just had to cream on my face. That's basically what it was. So as a fellow Sheabassador of this year, class of 2019, first impressions of this line is not too great. Yes, I get these products for free, but just because I'm getting them for free, I'm not going to come on camera and lie to you guys. If I don't like it, if I don't think it's something that's what we do, I'm like, that's worth even buying, then I'm just gonna. But you know, it might have some good benefits with the vitamin C, so I'm not gonna not stop using it. But like I think the most part of the things that I didn't like was that they said this was gonna lather and didn't, and these two smell horrible. I'm sorry, they just smell horrible. And I'm not the only one who says this. I've talked to other Sheabassadors. I just thought they were just saying it, and then I smelled it for myself and I was like, oh, okay, they weren't joking. So anyway, enough of me chatting about it. I just kind of wanted to tell you guys, like, immediately. Normally I should have an honest review. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.